When your printer runs out of ink, the LCD screen prompts you to replace any expended ink cartridges. Select Next and follow the on-screen instructions. If you need to replace ink before the message appears, use the printer's menu to start the process. To begin manual ink replacement, press the Home icon. Select Maintenance, then select Ink Cartridge Replacement. When you see this screen, select Next, then select Start. When prompted, raise the scanner unit. Make sure the cartridges are in the ink replacement position on the left side of the printer. You should be able to see the cartridge tabs. If you don't see the tabs, repeat the previous steps in this video. Do not move the printhead by hand or use any kind of tool to remove a cartridge. Otherwise, you may damage your product. To remove a cartridge, press the tab and lift the cartridge. If you're replacing the black ink cartridge labeled BK, shake the cartridge 4 or 5 times before removing it from the packaging. You do not need to shake the other cartridges. Remove the packaging and the protective cap. Do not touch these areas on the cartridge, or you may damage it. Insert the cartridge into the holder and push down until it clicks into place. When you are finished, close the scanner unit. Select Completed to begin charging the ink. You see one of these ink charging screens. When you see this screen, the printer has finished charging the ink, and it's now ready to print. Recap the used ink cartridge using its original cap or the cap from your replacement cartridge.